Well, here we are underneath the Jaguar XE. I couldn't understand what the rattling and drumming was. And here you see the splash guards made of fiberboard, and they're totally unsupported and cause a strumming noise on tick over. And why on earth the Jaguar designers didn't bring a bracket from these two tunnel support strap bolts across to this one to tension things up, I'll never know. So tomorrow I shall make a pair, and I'll give you that tip for free. If you're suffering from a drumming noise on tick over and it's certain resonances, that's where the noise is coming from.